You can hear the Dominator 3 purring back behind me. We are firing it back up for multiple days of storm chase mode ahead. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday here in the Southern Plains. It is June and we have June instability and moisture, and we're going to have some big time wind shear with the jet stream displaced pretty far south, and we have the perfect setup for mega wedge tornadoes, those big time tornadoes. We're going to have that strong zonal flow aloft over big time June instability, and overnight complexes of storms are going to leave behind outflow boundaries that are going to cook during the afternoon and enhance the low level wind shear.